video, we are going to explain about the project title application of data mining methods in diabetes prediction. Human body needs energy for the activation. The carbohydrates are broken down to glucose, which is important energy source for human body cells. Insulin is needed to important transport the glucose into the body cells. The blood glucose is supplied with the insulin and glucagon hormones produced by pancreas. Insulin hormones produced by the beta cells of the islets of Langerhans and glucagon hormones are produced by the alpha cells of the islets of Langerhans in the pancreas. When the blood glucose increases, beta cells are stimulated and insulin is given to the blood. Insulin enables blood glucose to get into the cells and this glucose is used for energy. So blood glucose is kept in a narrow range. Diabetes is a chronic kidney disease with the potential to cause a worldwide healthcare crisis. The main objective of this problem statement is to predict diabetes disease prediction based upon the algorithm, support vector machine, logistic regression, Gaussian mixture model, artificial neural network and extreme machine learning algorithm. Requirements: hardware requirements, we need operating system Windows, processor i5 and above, RAM 4GB and above, hard disk 20GB and above. Coming to the software requirements, we need to install Python with the version of 3.7. Methodologies: to implement this project, we have designed few modules. First one, upload the diabetes dataset. In this module, we are going to upload the diabetes dataset to this application. Second module, pre-processing and generate, train and test model. In this model, we are going to read the dataset and analyze the dataset non-numericals and numericals values, and if any non-numericals are there, we are going to convert into the numerical values and then generate the split train of a dataset into train and test particles with the 80% of dataset and 20% of dataset for the model. Then next model, run GMM algorithm. GMM algorithm is nothing but Gaussian mixture model. In this module, we are going to build the model and try with the trained dataset and test the model with the test dataset in the calculate of accuracy. Then GMM model is nothing but Gaussian mixture model. It is a probabilistic model that assumes all the data points are generated from a mixture of a finite number of Gaussian distributions with the unknown parameters. One can think of mixture models as generalized k-means clustering and incorporate information about the coherence structure of the data as well as the centers of the latent Gaussians. The Gaussian mixture model classifier is useful and also basic supervised classifier algorithm that can be able to classify a large group of n dimensions. Next module, run support vector machine algorithm. In this module, we are going to train the model and build the algorithm support vector model and also test the dataset with the support vector model to calculate the accuracy. Then fifth module, run EML algorithm. EML algorithm is nothing but extreme learning machines. So in this module, we are going to build the algorithm with the test dataset and also test the algorithm with the EML algorithm with the test dataset and calculate the accuracy score. EML algorithm, that is by extreme learning machines, are feed forward neural networks for classification or regression with a single layer of hidden nodes where the weights connecting input to hidden nodes are randomly assigned and never updated. The weights between hidden nodes and outputs are learned in a single step, which especially amounts to learning a linear model. According to the creators, this model are about to produce good generalization, performance and learns thousands of food generation performance and thousands of times faster than network trained using backpropagation. The next module, run logistic regression algorithm. In this module, we are going to build the algorithm logistic regression and classify the test basis based upon the calculation of accuracy. Then seventh module, that is run artificial neural network algorithm. In this module we are going to build the artificial neural network model and generate the test basis of calculate the accuracy. Eighth module, accuracy comparison graph. In this module we are going to plot the graphical representation of accuracy comparison of all the algorithms which we are used in this project. Ninth module, predicting disease on the test dataset. Using this module we are going to predict the test dataset using test dataset and testing the highest algorithm which was reflected in the project and predict the all test datasets output. Now coming to the execution, close this file and go to the code file. This is the code file, consists of dataset file which contains train and test files, and this is the main code file, and this is run bat file. Instead of executing the program in a command line interface, we created Windows bat file to execute the program. By clicking double tap on it, it leads to the graphical user interface which is interactive to the program user. Now click on the first button, upload diabetes dataset. By clicking this button, you can see dialog box open and select the diabetes dataset and click on open. Now you can see that diabetes.csv file is dataset is loaded, and you can see the path of the file which was accessed here. Then next button, pre-processing and generate train and test data. By clicking this button, you can see the records which was split into the train and test dataset that are 80% and 20% of the whole dataset. Now click on the run Gaussian mixture model. By clicking this button, you can see the accuracy of the Gaussian mixture model which was built and also tested with the test data. Now click on the run support vector machine algorithm. So you can see the support vector machine accuracy, and now click on the run extreme machine learning model. You can see the accuracy and run logistic regression model. Logistic regression model's accuracy, and click on the button run ANN algorithm, and you can see in the back console the epochs are generated, and after the epochs completed it will result the accuracy in the graphical user interface. So we have kept the epochs here 200. So within span of 2 to 5 seconds the epochs will run and it will build the model and it will generate the accuracy score with the test data. Now click on the button accuracy comparison graph. By clicking this button, you can see whatever the algorithms which we have used in this project, and x-axis indicates the label of algorithms and y-axis indicates the frequencies of accuracy. In this graph we can found that ANN algorithms accuracy is highest comparing to all the algorithms. Close this graph and go to another button, that is predict disease dataset. By clicking this button, you can select the test dataset and click on open button. So it will generate all the output based upon the highest algorithm in this project is ANN algorithm. You can see here samples and also no disease dataset is predicted, disease dataset is predicted, etc. outputs. Now close this graphical user interface and go to conclusion. So in this project we have found that using ANN algorithm classifier we have got the highest accuracy which was predicted in the best performance using the disease datasets of the diabetes. So in this project, by using diabetes disease dataset, we can use ANN algorithm classifier to predict the best output for us.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.